So hello friends, we have already seen the drawing of perspective. Here I am with another example of second object which is having two different shapes. Bottom here I have made the plan and here is the elevation of the object. Both are drawn in 1:100. Okay, and same for this object, the isometric view is drawn by taking 30 degrees on both the sides. So base is bigger and the top portion is smaller. Top portion, you can see it is the cubical shape, and in the bottom I have given the names as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, and for the top portion the names are given in numeric: 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Some students have asked the question that how to draw this type of object. So I am here with this example, and you can see the height. The height of the bottom portion is 1 meter. Here it is written in mm, 1000 mm, and the height of the top portion is 2 meter, that is 2000 mm. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all draw the picture plane, and now keep the object in such a manner that it's one of its edge touches the picture plane. Okay, so we have to leave the more space in the right side and the less space in the left side. The reason is we have to make the angle of 30 degrees to the right side and 60 degrees to the left side. Here I am writing the angles. Here this is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. So parallel line to this side intersect at a longer distance to the right side, and the parallel line from parallel of this left side intersect at a smaller distance. So we have to keep the object in such a manner that there will be more space at the right and less space at the left. So here I kept the object 30 degrees angle, 60 degrees angle, and put the top view. Then from this point which is kept over the picture plane, draw the vertical line up to the bottom, and on this line mark the station point at a height of 2h. Here the height is 3 meter, total height is 3 meter. So 2 into h, that is 2 into 3 meter, that is 6 meter, and 6 meter all we are drawing. All this perspective we are drawing in a scale of 1:50. So 6 centimeter is to be converted in 1:50. So it's at a distance of 12 meter. You can take less than 12 centimeter also. Okay, so that this view or this you will require the less space for the drawing this perspective view. So this is 12 meter. I have taken here 10 centimeter and mark the station point. Then after marking the station point, draw the parallel line from the side which is at the left side from the station point, which intersect somewhere on the picture plane, and the side which is inclined to the left side to the picture plane. Draw the parallel line to this side, and this will intersect somewhere on the picture plane at the right side. So we get the intersection points as a vanishing point. VPR here is the right side, vanishing point at right and vanishing point at left side. Then what we have to do, then mark the ground line. Now here what happens, ground line is to be marked in such a way that there will be the height. After converting the scale, there should be the distance equal to height, and some more space than the station point, so it should not merge. So the ground line is to be taken. Here I have taken the height is 3 meter, that is converted into 1:50, that is 6 centimeter. So from this station point, after leaving 1 centimeter, I have marked 6 centimeter beneath this point. Okay, so and from that point I have drawn the ground line. So here total, after leaving 1 centimeter, here I have 6 centimeter distance from this point to the ground line. Now mark the horizon line. Horizon line you can say eye level also. Horizon line at a distance of 3 centimeter. So here we have to take horizon line or eye level at a distance of 1.5 meter. Here you can mention it is 1.5 meter in 1:100 scale. It is 3 centimeter. Okay. Then from here I have marked A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So from the A point, here you can mark this edge A dash is directly on the picture plane, so you can mark the actual height on the picture plane, exactly equal to 1 meter. So here 1 meter is to be converted in 1:50. Here I have taken 2 centimeters because it is on the picture plane. So exact height will be given to the edge which is on the picture plane. All the other edge will look in a smaller size. Okay, so this then join B dash to this station point. From the intersection, take the line from up to the bottom, then to the points which are already vanished to the left and right. The points which are vanished to the left, mark the intersections as a B dash and dark it, so you will get this face, left face. Likewise for the D dash, join this point, then take the transfer this intersection to the bottom where the perspective is to be drawn. Then it will intersect to the top line and bottom line. Here we will get the height as a D dash. Mark the D and D dash at the intersection, between the intersection, then dark this face. Likewise the last point is to be joined to the station point where it intersection. I have drawn this line to the dash line, and from the dash line this is to be taken downward. With the help of dash line, I have taken the bottom where this both point, this point to be vanished to the right, and this point is to be vanished to the left, where both the lines get intersected. From the same point, this dash line is to be intersect. Okay, so this top face of the bottom part here already have been drawn. Now the top part is far from the picture plane. So what is to be done to draw this top part? So first of all, take this point 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. So 1 dash and 4 dash both are to be transferred to the left edge of the bottom part as well as to the right edge of the bottom part. So I am transferring with the help of dash line. So here 1 dash is transferred to the left edge and 1 dash is transferred to the right edge. So for same 4 dash is already transferred to the left edge. Now it is to be transferred to the right edge. So right edge Here it is transferred. For same repeat for 2 2 dash and 3 3 dash. Now 2 2 dash is transferred to the left edge, 3 3 dash is also transferred to the left edge, as well as 2 2 dash is transferred to the right edge and 3 3 dash to the right edge. Okay, now from these points, now let us mark the first point, which is 1 1 dash. So we get the 2 points at the left edge and the right edge. So from the left, the 1 1 dash which is transferred to the left edge, draw the line from the transferred point to join the station point. Okay, then from this, so from this, draw the reference line to the bottom. I am giving some gaps to this line so that it can be identified easily. Okay, for the 2 2 dash, join the line transferred from the transferred point, join the line, and from where it intersect to the picture plane, draw the line. Now you can see these both the point 1 1 dash and 2 2 dash have been marked on the top edge of this bottom part of the object. Now these both the points are already vanished to the left side. Now they are to be vanished to the right side. So join the line to vanish. I'm making the dash line so that this will be visible to you. Now here number of lines merges at a smaller distance, so it is to be drawn very carefully. Now same part is to be repeated for the same points for the right edges, for the right edge. So this is the first point and this is the second point. Here I am marking 1, here this is 2, here this is again 1, here this is 4. Now here it is transferred to the edge of the bottom part. Here is the edge. Now this point and that point both are already vanished to the right side. Now these are to be vanished to the left side. Now here some lines overlap to each other. Now you can see from this point, this point is vanished to the left, this point is vanished to the right, the intersection is this. So this we get the 1 1 dash. Now it is also to be checked by joining 1 1 dash directly to the station point, and this will passes the intersection of 1 1 dash, passes from exactly to this intersection. So you get this 1 1 dash. Here this is 2 2 dash. So I am making line dark. This is 1 1 dash to 1 to 2, or 1 from point 1 to 2. Now second point, here you can see both are intersecting there. Google 1 2 3. So okay, so you can see here the bottom shape of the top part, bottom shape. So here there are so many lines, so it is quite not easy to understand. When you will draw, you can easily understand. So please focus on this part. Okay. Okay, now this point is 1, here this is 2, here this is point 3, here this is point 4. Okay, so now we have to mark 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash and 4 4 dash. So first of all, so on this part which is on picture plane, so mark the exact height on this line. So I have already marked for 2 centimeter, for 2 meter height, we have to convert it into the 1:50. 2 comes 4 centimeter. So from this you can see I have already made 4 centimeter. For this you can make the elevation to the side and project the lines from this elevation to get the exact height. So I am here, this is the top point. So this top point is to be vanished to the left side and as well as to the right side. So as the height is more than the eye level, so these objects look like somewhat different. So here is the height. So we cannot mark directly the height. So the line 1 1 dash, here I can able to identify this. If this is the 1 point, then where it is the line, where it is the intersecting to the vanishing point, here it is the height. Now we have to check this. Okay, so already we have taken the lines, which are transferred on the edges, and these are transferred to the bottom. Already these are intersecting somewhere to the edges. So this is the top edge. Okay, so this bottom part, if we consider the exact box, so here we are getting the top edge of the same piece which is having in which has the shape in bottom. So this plane we are getting to the top. So here this is the point, here this is the intersection point. Now it becomes easy. Okay, so from the first line already we have taken the line. Here is the intersection to the top, and for 4 4 dash, here is the intersection to the top, as well as for the 1 1 dash, the dash line here I am taken. So here is the intersection on the top, and for 2 dash, here again the intersection. Now we get the 4 points. Now these 2 points already vanish to the left side. These are to be vanish at the right. Here these are 2 points. These are to be vanish at the left side. Okay, so let us vanish one by one. So this is vanish to the right side. I have made the dash line, and this point is also vanished to the right side. It is already vanished to the left side. I have made the dash line, whereas these 2 points are vanished to the left side. Now this point and this point, the vanishing line of both these points, it is intersecting on this place, whereas this point and this point, it is intersecting to the this place. Okay, so now I can dark this line. Okay, so this point is 1 dash and this point is 4 dash. Here it is 4 dash, it is on the right side, so it is 4 dash, and this point this point and this point, the intersection is 2 dash. So I am making dark. This point. Okay, so 1 dash and this is 1. I can dark it directly, and this is a checkpoint. Here is the checkpoint also. Both these points are vanishing on the line which is drawn from the intersection, which is intersection. Okay, and intersection of the picture plane, 1 dash is joined to the station point. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, now here 2 dash and the point 2. This is 2 point. This is 2 dash. This is 4. This is 4 dash. And here this back to the back side, this is 3 dash, and here it is 3 also. So let us check now. So we have to confirm. We can directly draw from 2 vertical line from 2 to 2 dash, but it is to be confirmed by joining the line 2 dash to the station point, and intersection on the picture plane is to be pass from this 2 and 2 dash. So carrying downward, it should be passed from 2 dash. Now I can draw this line. Okay, so here we get 2 dash vertical edge, and now 4 dash. So sorry, 4 here, 4 is here. Okay, so this is now join 4 dash to the station point. Now it is transferred over here. Now making the projection downward. So this I get the intersection here 4 and here 4 dash. Now the remaining line is to be make dark. So this is vanishing point and this is the edge. Now this is to be dark. Now here is the point and this is the vanishing point to the right. Here it is to be dark. Now this is the total perspective of this object. So back point is not to be shown, or the edges which are to the backward side are need not to darken. Okay, so thank you.